Hello. Now it is the third day that I'm following this skin detox, and I'm not using any cream and makeup. I don't use makeup usually. It is only when I go out for some meeting that I use a little bit of that CC cream, just to make that impact if it is required. At times your skin looks tired, and so to give that HD glow or whatever you uh, might say or understand. I use that CC cream for just that finishing look and all that. Um, Otherwise, I don't use makeup. I just use good creams. Do not want to promote any brand as such because my channel is new, and but I will surely share my beauty regime and my um, uh, the things that I follow to keep my skin healthy and whatever. So for 3 days I am not using any cream, night cream or day cream or any oil or any powder. I'm not using anything. This is my naked skin. Okay, so it is the third day now, but I did use that orange peel of mask yesterday that I will be sharing with you, and it actually cleans the pores from the depth and unclogs them, so your free skin can breathe, and it can generate new cells. It is also important. So, and you can use some fruit mask or mud pack, or you can use mild scrub, not harsh scrub. People, scrub so much that they get rashes over the skin. Don't do that, please. For 2 minutes, just use light scrub, and in circular movements निकल गया मुंह से, in circular motions, use that scrub. That is enough, and don't use any oil, cream or anything that could clog your pores. And one more thing that you can do is that wash your face with warm water. Little temperature should be a little high than warm water, not hot water. Don't burn your face, please. Then don't tell me that I use that to do this. So splash your face with warm water and then wait for 2 3 seconds. Then you have to splash your face with cold water, and that also increases the blood circulation whenever you can. It is not something that you have to religiously follow or something like that. Whenever you get to do that. It also increases the blood flow. That is Korean and Japanese technique of their skincare. And drink a lots of water. I have not been able to follow the exact uh, regime or system that I told you that I'll be following. Drinking lot of water, and drinking water while just as you wake up, drinking 2 to 4 glasses of water. I couldn't do that because I had a very bad headache since yesterday evening. Now I feel better. So, but I'll be surely drinking more water, and you do that and see the results, because your skin will be able to absorb cream or oil uh, in a better way, and will be responding to the whatever nutrition you give it in a better it will be able to respond in a better manner if you leave it for 3 days. Allow it to breathe, allow it to cope with itself. Okay, okay, do this, and try it, and do let me know what was your experience. Mine is very good. As you can see, I am not using anything right now on my face. Bye bye. Like and subscribe, please.